up, guys? Today is just going to be another vlog video, unfortunately, because last week I put out 2 videos if you didn't see, but that's because I didn't know when the release date was going to be for that camera that I installed on the Integra. I actually got that before it was even released to do an install video for them. So I wasn't sure on that, so I made another video just to keep the algorithm going, and then I had to post that one the next day anyway, so whatever. But yeah, this week I'm trying to get caught up on stuff. Gotta go get firewood and whatnot, and I don't know what else. We gotta get quite a few things done today in a short amount of time. So first we gotta run to town because, well, 1, I gotta put this trailer back on the road, and 2, I gotta get an adapter for a 7-pin to the 4-pin. I have a 5-pin to 4-pin from my Toyota, but don't have one of these. And I gotta do a couple other things while I'm in town. I can't even remember. I'll get oil and stuff. Alright, we got our trailer registered, oil for the Squarebody because it's a drop low, trailer plug adapter, and then I got 5W30 just to have for the Hondas around the shop. So now we'll hopefully get everything going. Yeah, and if any of you are interested in the dash cam I got in the Integra, I'll put a link below to the camera and a discount code. The brand is ARFA, and it's a D22 dual channel dash cam, so go check it out. And if you want to see the full install video and review, check out my last video. I don't remember what the plate bolts were, but we're gonna try 10 mil. See if it works. Soiled it. Screws. If any of you tow trailers often, you know this is like the worst setup. Super short trailer, super long truck. So this is not going to be fun. I can't even see the trailer in my rearview mirrors when it's straight. So this is going to be fun getting firewood. Alright, hopefully the trailer lights still work. Don't mind my ghetto setup. I don't have a bumper still. I've been trying to find a step bumper for so long, but cannot find one. Let's see if we got lights. Can't even tell. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, we'll just pretend I didn't see that. Put some oil in this thing and get it fired up. In case you wanted to hear some bald eagle screech this morning. I rarely even like put the Squarebody in videos anymore because like no one likes it. There's a few people that love the truck. I don't know how you can't love a Squarebody, but yeah, it never gets attention when it's in a video. I get like 50 views on it as opposed to like a few hundred. So, but yeah, today we're doing a vlog so you can get some Squarebody content. Here, hold up. Good girl. This is what I mean. Literally cannot see my trailer anywhere. You can see is the shadow. Such a terrible setup. But hey, when you got no friends to help you take the cab off your pickup, you gotta do what you gotta do. The other thing is, if I could take the cab off my pickup, I could get a lot more wood. I probably wouldn't even have to get any more wood for the rest of the winter because I got 8-foot box on this thing and it's a Squarebody, so it's just an enormous bed. But yeah, my one neighbor does give me free firewood from his sawmill. It's just scraps and whatever. But the problem is I have a small wood stove and I have to literally pick through everything so I can find stuff that'll fit in my stove. So it ends up being like an hour-and-a-half ordeal getting wood from him anyways, and I'm hand stacking it in the truck and hand stacking it out. So I just only get a little bit at a time as well. So I just need a stock right now so I'm not wasting, hours of my day when I could be working on a car or try to get caught up on things. Definitely way behind. Also, my neighbor will probably beat me up if he finds out that I bought firewood, because he's a very giving person, and I'm always grateful for the wood and stuff. I helped him out when I moved here, so he's always, I don't know, he's like an uncle to me. But yeah, time is money right now, and I got a lot of money to make up on and not a lot of time to be spending, so if that makes sense. That was a little embarrassing. I know I could have got that first try if it wasn't for the truck dying. Just kept losing power steering. The truck weighs over 6,000 pounds. As you can tell, I'm quite professional at backing up trucks and trailers. I'm gonna get all this wood stacked quick, and I guess we'll see what else we gotta do today. I forgot to show you guys this. These are the tires we were just hauling wood on. There's actually tubes inside these tires because the tires are so bad, but your boy broke, so don't worry about that. I got some nice wood blocks I might just use for car stuff. I got this from another sawmill, but like an actual business. Such a good feeling to have that much wood. That's the most wood I've ever had at once. So it was only 10 bucks. I forgot to mention that. It's hard to stack because it's literally like scrap wood from lumberyard, but I mean, can't go wrong for 10 bucks. And then there's a sub company or whatever that delivers wood, and they wanted $225 to deliver a pickup load. So yeah, I'll take 10 bucks and some fuel in the Squarebody. So I'm just gonna go park the Squarebody quick and get the trailer off it in case I need the truck. Alright guys, I guess that might be it for this video. I gotta go get some other stuff done, not car related, so I gotta get that done because I need to get it done today. So sorry, it's just a dumb video of me getting wood, but I guess it's something, and we got to drive the Squarebody, so that's always fun. Anyways, just stay tuned for next week because we'll be tearing this car apart. Way behind on stuff. It's my own fault because I decided I was going to try to help someone with their vehicle, and it ended up taking like half a day instead of 30 minutes. The usual, you know. But so I'm just way behind on a lot of stuff. But if you did like the video, I do appreciate a like, and I appreciate you guys that watch the videos just because you like seeing me mess around in the garage and stuff. So appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all the other nonsense I'm doing, and follow my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, for more info on there, more nonsense, more sneak peeks, I don't know, stuff like that. But anyways, thanks for watching.